So finally my dreams came true and I come to Spain for big perch fishing. Yes, it's a lovely Basque country where you can see hills and lakes. Probably will see some islands. Of course, food, which we've got. We try a lot of good food. You can imagine how good food they've got over there. But probably you've seen it, and so back to, and of course the beer is also amazing. So we did some planning. I know the perch lives close to the islands where there's a lot of logs. They think basically a crowfish, so like you see over there, there's a lot of, on the banks you can find a lot of parts of the crayfish, and it's just kayak fishing, paddling and pedaling, nice views everywhere. Yeah, enjoy this movie. Hopefully you will have a fun like I've got being over there. Też mam. Chcesz miarkę? So first day was to plan to recognize the lake and catch any fish. So I catch few zenders, and we found out they eating the little roach. So we had up, found nice lures, similar lures to the little roach, and yeah, we caught fish by fish that day. A lot of small ones.
Kurde nie, to jest bez sensu, kurde. Trzeci w rzucie, trzecia ryba, nie? No chyba, chociaż ten zamurował trochę. Na windę.
Afternoon weather completely changed. Wind started blowing. So for me as a newbie on a kayak, I just have to switch to the vertical fishing. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to catch anything that day. At that point, we have here around 16 meter deep, so it's a lot of little zanders underneath, so I caught a few of them there. It's not easy fishing from the kayak, fighting constantly with the wind, with the position, and it's even harder to record anything nice. Place by place, looking, casting, try to catch anything from the vertical, and nothing. It's just a lot of small ones. I've got the contact with big perch, I think, but I couldn't hold them. But yeah, we've got what we've got there. I'm first time fishing from the kayak. You see, it's not easy. You have no space. You can't. Lack of moves on the side, so it's even hard to hold the fish sometimes. And another day and another weather. Like you see, we've got the rain and wind and occasionally a sun, so we've been wet that day. We caught few little ones, nothing special, but it'll always be a fun beer fishing, even that weather. And another day, like you see, weather is completely different again, no wind. Rain will pick up, so I decided to explore. So I went to the big dam over there, and I was looking for big fish, but I couldn't find. But over there, I caught something like 13 little ones. Make me my day. It was a lot of good fun there. So yeah, still looking for big one. And pedaling, this lake is huge, so from kayak it's really hard to explore all those corners, little islands, little bays, dams, shallow, deep. It's just big lake, and you need to have a lot of strength in your legs to go to the places and fish. So when you're tired and you've got enough, it's cold, so it's always nice to meet a friend and drink something which give you a bit more hope to catch the big one.
Ja go tam nie mierzyłem, no. Dobrze. No to tutaj jesteśmy z kolegami.
Dziękujemy.
W jeziorze, jak to się nazywa, to ja nie wiem powtórzyć.
Ubrilla.
Ubrilla. Coś jak Godzilla.
Albo Perchzilla.
Godzilla.
No. Dobry likier kawowy. So after a sip of coffee liquor, yes, I finally got the one on the vertical jigging. Have a look. It's not the monster, but it's still impressive fish. It is okay that gave me a bit fun. Finally, good fish. That day was really hard day. So another few hours of exploring, jigging, just fighting with waves. I finally get my bigger perch. Have a look, nice fish, nice take. Go on, fight. $40, 39. So nice fish. So nice fish, 39, big perch, go to the deep. Bye bye. And I want to lie, that was my last fish on that journey, but my biggest fish been caught in the first day of my journey. So have a look, that was amazing. Finally I get what I want. Czuję kamienie, no. O, jest. Jest.
Ja już lecę z aparatem. Nie podoba. Czy to jest okon?
That's amazing thing to have that kind of fish, and you think it might be something which you can for like a 50 plus perch.
Ale żeś zjadł. Po to przyjechałem.
Just one
Yes, we've got
tag.
It's 50, what we see.
Yo, this is my first perch 50 plus. I'm so happy. I think I will back to this lake and catch them more, because that was my first trip over there. It's hard there, but have a look at that beauty. It's a monster. Big perch 50 plus. I didn't scale it, but it got 52 centimeters. Few minutes after, condition change and my friend caught another tank, so have a look. Big perch once again.
Nie? 4? 4? 4,9? 4,8?
Ja mam 52, niestety nie mam filmiku nagranego z Winstem, bo byłem z innym kolegą, ale Piotrek 50, 48, jedziemy dalej.
So just to summarize my trip to Spain for big perch. Yes, I finally got one, my 52, and also got the 39. That was my two biggest fish. I also got a lot of little zanders. I can't count them, about around 40, maybe a bit more. Also got few little perch. I have no contact with pike, but some friends got contacts with the big pikes. Yeah, and Piotr got two nice one, 51 and 49. That was an amazing trip. I will be back there. It's an amazing place to fish. Take care, bye. Thank you for watching that.